Superior Essex has introduced an easy-to-use catalog. The Zoom catalog is here to help you access catalog datasheets quickly and in a manner that meets your everyday needs. The term catalog pages and datasheets are interchangeable. It's all here in one easy-to-use digital platform. Once you're on the products page, click either the cover image of the new catalog or the blue button titled Browse the Digital Catalog to open the document. Once there, you'll have a selection of tools at your fingertips to perform functions such as search, view pages, go to page, embed code, snip an image, download, share, and email catalog. Share allows you to post on your social media platforms. Let's jump to search. By selecting the search tool, you may perform a variety of search sequences such as typing the first few digits of a product or product name. Here I've typed in 6H-272 and the search returns a perfect match of the catalog page and the glossary reference. If I type more general information, such as 10 gain XP, I'm flooded with a larger selection pool. I can continue to narrow the pool or jump page to page. Once I have the selection of my choice, I can simply copy the URL and email it directly. Or use the clip tool to copy a certain segment of the page, then move on to paste it into the document of my choice or email it directly from the catalog using the email function. The download function allows an ease to save the page to your systems. This download function has enhanced features allowing you to download individual pages or a group of pages, creating a tidy file for you. If you are managing a website and need to embed code from the page directly into the site, simply select the Embed Code feature and move forward with your website management activities. As you can see, with a few quick keystrokes and the use of the search tools, you can easily find, snip, download, and email any of your selected datasheets, or as I call them, catalog pages, within seconds. Thank you for watching.